Do you ever feel like everyone in their 20s is speeding ahead, starting businesses, mastering AI, traveling the globe, or stacking skills that seem impossible to catch up to? You scroll through social media and see their best moments on display, and it feels like you're the only one still trying to figure life out. Here's the reality. No one has everything perfectly sorted, and comparing your journey to someone else's is one of the quickest ways to lose motivation. What actually matters in your 20s isn't about how quickly you make it, but about building the foundations for freedom, financial stability, and a life you genuinely enjoy. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to focus on right now if you want to build wealth, stay independent, and create opportunities for yourself. These aren't recycled tips. They're the same strategies successful people use to take control of their 20s. 1. Embrace experimentation. Your 20s aren't a finish line, they're your practice round. This is your time to explore, fail, and learn without the weight of everything being permanent. Instead of wondering, do I have everything figured out? Ask yourself, what's something new I can try today? Test out side hustles, try small projects, look into online businesses, or explore AI tools that grab your interest. What matters most right now is action, not a flawless plan. Every mistake gives you valuable insight, and those lessons will guide your future decisions. Think of this decade as your personal laboratory. The experiments you run now will give you the blueprint for your best future. 2. Build quality relationships. Not every friendship will help you grow. Some people fuel your ambitions, others quietly drain your energy. Focus your time on those who encourage your growth, challenge your thinking, and support your goals. Think of relationships as investments. Some connections deliver incredible returns in advice, opportunities, and encouragement, while others simply cost you energy. Prioritize the ones that add value and let go of the ones that hold you back. 3. Take control of your money. You don't need a six-figure paycheck to start building wealth. Good habits matter more than high income. Save and invest regularly, even if it's a small amount. Compound growth is your superpower. It quietly multiplies your money in the background. Focus on assets that gain value, avoid unnecessary spending, and set up automated systems so saving becomes effortless. Remember, financial freedom isn't about being rich today, it's about giving yourself choices tomorrow. 4. Invest in your health. Your body and mind are the engines that power everything else. The habits you set now, regular movement, quality sleep, healthy food, will stick with you for decades. Don't neglect your mental health. Learn to process emotions, set boundaries, and ask for help when needed. The stronger you are physically and mentally, the more energy and resilience you'll have to go after what you want. 5. Explore careers and skills. Your first job doesn't have to be your last. Use your 20s to explore. Try different roles, freelance, join small companies, or even start your own projects. Every experience, even the ones you dislike, teaches skills you can carry into the future. Keep asking yourself, what am I learning here that I can use later? Every step adds to your toolkit, even if it doesn't feel like it in the moment. 6. Learn how to learn. The most valuable skill in today's world is adaptability, the ability to pick up new knowledge quickly. Take courses, read books, listen to podcasts, and try subjects that challenge you. You don't need to be an expert in everything, you just need the skill to figure things out when the opportunity arises. 7. Build independence. True independence isn't just paying your bills, it's trusting yourself to handle life's challenges. Make your own decisions, take ownership of your actions, and solve problems without waiting for someone else to step in. Each problem you solve on your own strengthens your confidence and freedom. The more independent you become, the more you can pursue opportunities on your own terms. 8. Focus on daily habits. Small, consistent actions create massive results over time. Reading a few pages, saving a little money, exercising regularly, reaching out to a new contact. These small steps compound into big changes. Don't aim for perfection, aim for consistency. Your habits today will quietly shape your future tomorrow. 9. Play the long game. Your 20s are just the start, not the summit. The choices you make now, about skills, money, health, and relationships, will keep paying off for decades. Short-term wins feel good, but it's the long-term investments in yourself that bring real freedom. See this decade as planting seeds, your education, network, financial discipline, and self-care. Water them and you'll see them grow into something far bigger than you imagined. What matters most in your 20s is embracing uncertainty, surrounding yourself with the right people, managing your money well, taking care of your health, exploring new paths, learning quickly, building independence, forming strong habits, and thinking long-term. Start today. Take small, consistent steps and keep investing in yourself. Your 20s can be the launch pad for the wealth, freedom, and life you want. Hit subscribe, drop a comment on which habit you're starting today, and let's create a decade that sets you up to win.